Are you planning to start shrimp farming? Or are you an aquaculture student preparing for exams? Then this video is for you. Today, I will explain shrimp farming completely, from pond preparation, to SPF seeds, to feed management, to diseases, and finally profit calculation. This is not just theory. This is practical, scientific, and farmer-friendly guidance. Let's begin. Pond preparation, the foundation of success. First and most important step is pond preparation. After harvesting the previous crop, drain all the water completely. Let the pond bottom dry under sunlight for 10 to 15 days. The soil should develop cracks. Why is drying important? Because sunlight kills harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It also removes toxic gases like hydrogen sulfide. If you skip this step, disease risk increases. Next, remove black sludge from the feeding area. This sludge contains uneaten feed and waste material. It produces ammonia and toxic gases. Remember, poor pond bottom means poor survival. Now comes liming. Check soil pH first. If pH is low, apply agricultural lime. If pH is normal, use dolomite. Lime improves soil quality, adds calcium, and helps shrimp during molting. After liming, fill water through a filter net. This prevents entry of predator fish and disease carriers. Maintain water depth around 1.2 to 1.5 meters. Now your pond is ready. Specific pathogen-free seeds. Choose quality, not cheap. SPF means specific pathogen-free. These seeds are tested and free from major diseases like white spot virus and EMS. Always buy seed from certified hatchery. Ask for PCR test report. Do not choose cheap seed. Cheap seed can destroy your entire crop. Stocking density depends on your system. Extensive farming, 20 to 30 petaliters per square meter. Semi-intensive, 40 to 60 plural. Intensive, 80 to 120 plural. Higher density requires more aeration. Before stocking, do acclimatization properly. Sudden temperature change causes stress. Healthy seed equals strong crop. Feed management, this decides your profit. Feed cost is 50 to 60% of total investment. So feed management must be careful. In early stage, give 35 to 38% protein feed. In middle stage, 32 to 35%. Later stage, 28 to 32%. Feed 4 times daily. Use feed trays to check consumption. After 2 hours, check trays. If feed remains, reduce feeding. If no feed, increase slightly. Overfeeding causes ammonia increase. Water quality will deteriorate. Now very important concept, FCR. FCR means feed conversion ratio. It is calculated as total feed given divided by total shrimp produced. Ideal FCR is 1.2 to 1.5. Lower FCR means higher profit. Common diseases, prevention is better than cure. White spot disease is the most dangerous. Symptoms: white spots on shell, sudden mortality, shrimp coming to surface. Early mortality syndrome affects shrimp in early stage. It damages hepatopancreas. Vibriosis causes red body and weak growth. How to prevent diseases: maintain good water quality. Avoid overfeeding. Use probiotics regularly. Maintain biosecurity. Remember, water quality management is more important than medicines. Profit calculation. Example. Let us take 1 acre pond. Stocking 50 petaliters per square meter. Survival rate 80%. Harvest weight 20 grams. Expected production, around 4 to 5 tons. If market price is 400 rupees per kilogram, total income may reach 16 to 20 lakhs. After expenses, profit may range between 4 to 8 lakhs per crop. But remember, profit depends on management. Good management equals good money. Final advice: do not overstock without aerators. Test water regularly. Check shrimp growth every 10 days. Focus on prevention, not treatment. Shrimp farming is profitable only when it is scientific. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More aquaculture and CSIR-NET related content is coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.